Good morning, everyone. Oh, good morning. It's a good morning. All right, the first thing I want to point out is on the 15-minute, before I forget, on the 15-minute, notice it slowed out right up into this and then gave us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, now that was the area we were, that was the area we were watching. Now, if we bring in the Joey lines, you can see that 7518, that 7518
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
was the over under. And yes, it was the target to get to it, but once we broke above it, you can see how we tested it, and now we've broken below it. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We've broken below it, a small test, and now we're starting to cascade and bringing in the bigger picture back into the noise, right? So now, cautious, Friday, options expiration. It's the third Friday of the month, right? Okay, options expiration. Yes, it does happen around the 15th of the month every once in a while, right? And so we need to be really, really careful and not over trade. I may only take a trade or two today. We'll see.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Let's go to the larger time frames. We are outside the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days. I can't figure out how to get the things back on. I don't even know how to get the candles back on this thing. Okay. I don't think I have
Pink
enough
bar
caffeine.
alert Revy.
Object tree. Let's see. Isn't that weird? It's just gone. It's some button that I pushed. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. It should say range, right? It's so weird. It's weird because it's not really a drawing, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it. Like there's no right hand normally the price column's on the right. Oh, here, let's do this. No, that is so weird. Like they're just like even hitting the Control Z. Anyway, we'll deal with that here in a little bit. All right, we are outside the narrowest range the last 7 days. So the K channels are off. We're at almost 100-point range, which is kind of fascinating if you ask me, because if you look at the smaller time, excuse me, the 15-minute, it doesn't really look like it, right? But we've moved 100 points from here to here. That's a lot. That's significant, right? 100 points, that's what, 1.3%? Yeah. NQ's down 1.7. Russell is down 1.6.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
This is interesting. This is interesting, right? So we have to ask ourselves, what game are we playing today, right? Are we playing the downward trend on the 15-minute, or Orska? Gorsh, is this the pullback on the 4 hour for the long, 1 hour for the long? But that's kind of a long, a quick, precipitous drop on the 1 hour. Where, oh, right. Okay, well, it's no brainer where they're going. Right here to this 74.15. We have it drawn in already. We didn't even need to wonder. Oh, okay. We have an unopened crime scene here. Untouched. To the scene of the crime. Also, right here, I'm going to put another yellow right there. Okay. Yeah, you do have a higher low, higher high, higher low around the 32s. This is we got to be careful. We need to be very careful because it won't take much to get that thing in one way or the other, moving in one direction or the other. We need to be very careful in the fact that we went green to red. We didn't go white in between. Okay, and we're in deep noise on the 15-minute. Folks, I ate too many Oreos last night. It is safe to say I ate too many Oreo cookies. Oh boy. Too many Oreo cookies. Too many Oreo cookies. All right, taking a look at the 10 range. Right back into noise. Bottom side of the noise is 27s. Didn't get there. Joey's going for the 47.25 that you see right there on that chart. Even back then, give me so much more than I used to. It's going to take me just a little bit to get my bearings in the fact that you know, this is going to be some this will be interesting because how come we just went 100 points off of an all-time high ripper, right? Is it a pullback for more? Is this profit taking as we come into the weekend? Is this a hook close of the week? Oh boy, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. I might go take a walk real quick or something because I have not fully woken up yet. Eating too many cookies at night does not make me sleep very well. I'm gonna have to go take a nap after this. Sheesh. Too many cookies. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning. Too many cookies, not enough sleep. I ate so many cookies I can't even suck my stomach, kid. Oh, excuse me. Oh boy. Okay. What does the 15-minute show? Yeah, decision point, at least on your 2-minute. That's a good call, Nick. You could, here's the deal, you could be long off your 10 range. All right, taking a look at this. This is where everything kind of falls apart on the Bears case, right? And they have to prove. All right, what? Here's what I mean. See how this is the 15-minute. Okay, we got price, VWAP, 200. See how the Bears have to make their case? Because if you zoom out, the Bears have had to make a case the whole time. Let's go to the 5. See, this is what, excuse me, this is what it's supposed to look like. But it doesn't. See, it's late. Like if we look at the cursor, it doesn't all shift at one time. We want this paint to cut through and change them down. This cuts through the VWAP, but it doesn't cut through the 200. Okay, and then down here, we're away from it. Yep. Anything can happen. This is options expiration for the May contract. Coming into resistance here, excuse me, not only resistance, support. Morning. Yeah, we'll just create a new chart, Elijah. That's what I'm thinking. Or I'll Google it later or something. Good call, Nick, through that 45. Good call, buddy. You got your 50s, your 51s, your 52s. Good call. Good call. Good call. Look at that. Good call, buddy. Okay, we got about 4 minutes till the opening bell here. I'm going to be an observer. Okay? I don't want to say a spectator. I'm going to be an observer until it lines up with anything that resembles trend. Right now, there isn't. Right? The only trend we have is down. NQ down 1.5%, ES down 1%, Russell down 1.5. Yeah, good call. Guys, I'm gonna go around the block for a minute here. I'll be back in a second. Let this thing open up. Oh, Rev, why aren't you trading to open? It's like, dude, I don't see it. Not that there isn't a trade. I don't see it. Not that I don't see it. There isn't a trade. The trade was lower if there was one. Down here, down here, down here. And then it's starting to run into the sell side under the 5 and 15-minute. Excuse me for if you couldn't see the 15-minute chart on there. Two minutes. Yeah, that's a good one. Look at the meme that's in those of you that are new, we have a Discord. Look at the meme that's over in the Discord. Let me get the link for you. If you notice, there is a subtle change. There's a subtle difference to it. Oh, that's a good one. I love AI. I love AI. It's my new almost favorite thing. That made my eyes water. That's pretty good. All right, 1.5 minutes, folks. I am in no hurry to trade. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's see if they can get this delta pump in here. This will be interesting. We're at negative 4,500 net now. Do they change that? Let's go, Ort. Let's go, Ort. Let's see if you get it very quickly. If not, lock it in. You got a strip around 74.80. You've got some turbulence here. You've got some resistance on your 1, resistance on your 2. Oh, hello. Unopened at 81, 82s. All right, here we go. We're open, folks. Did they get their what they were looking for? We're 30 points off the lows, 70 points off the highs.
Pink
Here we
bar,
go.
5-minute chart.
There's a little 8-point move. There's a 12-point move. This is chop, folks. uh, ooh. Ugh. So glad I didn't take any part of that. Not that I was going to. The plan was correct to just let it do its thing because we just went 18 yard. Look at that, 18 yard from 62 to 44 in less than 2 minutes. Yep. Stop runner McCree. I'm going to let this, folks. I am going to take a walk around the block. I am not going to let anything happen to me on a Friday. Let's see. Oh yeah. Chasers slap. Confirmed. Confirmed. And now the chasers can get slapped, right? Folks, I'm going to let this thing marinate. I am going to step away for just a second. I'm going to get a little bit of a breath going on here. Let's let this thing play out. Let's see what they do. I'll be right back. Ooh, more sellers, more sellers. This could get interesting. I want to remind everyone it's options expiration. Options expiration.
Pink bar, 1-minute chart. Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Still going. Still going. Oh, will we survive the let out? People are trapped on both sides. Okay. Do they keep hammering it?
Pink bar alert Revy.
I am not taking a short. Don't forget to smash that like button, turn notification bells on if you are going to be hitting the subscribe button. We crush it 5 days a week. We try to put out videos sporadically in between through that. Usually we do put out a video either Sunday night, Monday morning. We're kind of shifting over to the Monday morning crowd. We didn't put it in for the past 2 Sundays as I was on a little hiatus. And we're back at it. We'll be pumping out something this weekend here. And I'll let you know if I see something. Good no trade on our end. Good no trade on our end. That was a 10-point bump. And I'm on the sidelines till I see something, folks. Hmm. Hmm.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
All right, let's see what they do with any sort of noise. $36 target if you're in. I'm cautious. Looks like I was too cautious. Wow. It was a perfect entry in the 10 range. Perfect. There's your 2R. There's your 2R. Was I too cautious? Let's go, Marty. Majestic is done. Good job, Marty. Ooh, it's warm here. Hold on. Look at that, right back down to the 30s. Look at how quick it, look at that, 40 to 30. Wild barbecue, man. Wild barbecue. Do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right back to the 40s. Right back at the 40s, folks. Ooh, I feel air conditioning coming in. Good. Dreams can come true. Show me some clarity. Delta's ripping. Looks like they're trying to go net long.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Oh. Hey, there's 1 R if you were quick enough to get in. There's 2 R if you were quick enough to get in. Hey, this is what options expiration at all-time highs looks like, folks. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Excuse me. My goodness. Here I am trying to sleep in. Yawning. Let's see. I don't think anyone would have been filled. It would have been a real quick entry at 39.75. I've got something I won't tell you. Dreams can come true. I do need a nappy poo, Tyson. You're not kidding. If we can end this stream real quick, I am going to go home and go back to bed. I ate too many cookies. Too many Oreos, Tyson. Made for a real terrible night of sleep trying to digest. All right, I want everyone to take hold of the 2-minute spread held very nicely. Very nicely. At 23s. Yes, Elijah, yes. Yeah. I was just thinking that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I do believe unopened crime scene. Nope. I take that back. It is touched. Where was the unopened one? I need, here's what I need. I need something to tell me we get through this noise, right? Wow. 7440 has 800 bid, 879 bid. All right. Now, here's where everything tells me to just chill. Okay. We have a Charlie Foxtrot going on here where your larger time frames are down, smaller time frames are sideways to up, and this is where old Rev Daddy punts. He punts on second down. Oh, Scheiße. Schweizer. Look at the noise on the 2-minute. Look at right here. Oh boy, look at you. And now, just picture in your head, Rev going, "Oh, I know I know I probably shouldn't have went long here, but I am anyway. Fuck it, right? No, right? No. There's your 40s. He's got another 800 at 35, 800 at 35. Careful, Tyson. Careful. No picking the pullbacks here.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Oh. Hey, there's 35. He's got another 900 at 30. He's got another 865 at 30. He's every 5 points. 800 on top every 5. Okay, there's your 36s. I don't think you would have been filled. Smoked. He's at 30s. He's at 30s. Let's see if he goes down to the 25s. He's got a total of about 2,500 here so far from 40, 35, 30. Excuse me. Now I'm burping up cookies, guys. Not to mention my wife made some bomb-ass tacos, so that didn't help either. Thank you. Mm. 2 minutes out of order. 5 minutes in order, 15 minutes is in order, but B POC 34. Low and tight. Low and tight.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy.
Oh
Wait.
my goodness.
No.
I cannot stop yawning, guys. I'm gonna be real with you.
No. Why
It's
won't you
really hard to
listen
read
me?
tape when you're yawning. All right, Tyson, we'll see you shortly, buddy. Get to work. This is where the shorts will chase. Ask me how I know. Ask me how I know. Watch 34, please. Folks, it needs to be so obvious that even a caveman could push the button, right? Remember, you guys remember those commercials? All right, there's your crime scene completed on your 10 range. Yep, Joey had the 37s as well. Yep, Joey had 37s as well. Good call, Joey. And this is why he said 37. Make sure you guys see it right there on the 10 range. Thank you. All right, snake fed on the 2 minute. Snake fed on the 2 minute.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Yellow bar 1 minute chart.
This all looks like shit, guys. Seriously. Okay, I want to remind everyone, ES down 1.2, NQ down 1.74, YM down 0.8, Russell down 2%. Folks, 2%, okay? That's why you don't see me jumping into these longs. Yeah. So easy. That's pretty funny, right? So easy, a caveman cannot push the button. No, that's the hard part. Not pushing the button, right? 15-point stops on your 2 minute. Who's interested in 15-point stops? Not me. Yeah, I'm chilling. Here's everybody. The 2 minute is backwards. 5 minutes in order. 15 minutes in order. Late. Okay. So does the 2 minute spring right now? And what I mean by backwards, look right here. This is backwards. Okay. I just texted my wife. Too many cookie. I need nap. Oh, good Lord. All right, all right. You have a CS. You have an untouched CS 44s, 42s. Excuse me. Inside the opening range. Oh. Noise, 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 noise. All I see is noise, 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 noise. We pulled back into the noise from signal 100 points. 100 points. Am I supposed to say 100 or 100? Those linguists, those linguinis in the room. Any linguini here? Any linguists here? Is it 100 or 100? I know that if you write 100 on a check, I don't know if it's valid, right? So. Is this the draw under
Yellow
30?
bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
No fill, no fill, no fill, no
Order
fill.
canceled.
Cancel order, no fill, no fill. Target one hit, no fill. Son of a biscuit eater. That was too quick. Too quick, too quick, too quick. No fill. And I was trying to do that in 5 accounts. That's it. Yeah, Bruce, if I remember right, that last OPEX was not nice to me. Wait, no, let me say it a different way. That last OPEX, I was not nice to myself in terms of I was trading incorrectly. Okay, there's your target. No fill. Cancel the bids. Cancel the bids. That was the one I was waiting for. No way I would have been filled. The algos, excuse me, the quants chewed me up. Remember, quants are in time and space. Algos are just algos. Quants are time and space. They got us on that one. They beat us to it. Okay, quants are the lack of latency and time. Okay, algos are not. I'm chilling. Ooh, could have taken it again. Now, why did I wait, right? Why did I wait that whole time? Look, look, look. Both of these line up. Red, white, blue. Oh, excuse me. Red, white, green. Red, white, green. Red, white, green. Okay. Red, white, green. Okay. Boom. Perfect. That's a perfect trade. That's a perfect counter trend trade. Okay. It would have done it in 4 counts, not 5, excuse me. $350's your 2R, boys and girls. $350's your 2R. Look at that. They're all shooting the same barrel of fish. You see that? 43 completes business, 9 by 37. 43.50, excuse me. There's 37.50 for the 3rd time. Yeah, it's a good target. Wappleton's a great target. Wappleton's a great target. Without you. Look at that. All right, is there a 50 target? 51.75.
Pink bar alert Revy.
Blue bar, 5-minute chart.
Think of all the people that tried to sell below whatever number you want to use as support, right? 30 pinched right now. They're part of the external liquidity. You can see on the 5 and the 15, right under 27. A lot of noise above us. The 5. No noise until 18s, or a reset down and below in the 15s, 15-minute. Here comes your 68.75 on your 2-minute. All right, great job, Ryan. The FOMO is real, folks. The FOMO is real.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Good, good, good. Yep. So Nick, is it a fake out or not, right? We see the draw point above 60s. Is it what they're actually going to do, right? There's 1R if you took the 10 range. 2R is 51.75. Free trade. I did not. You'd hear my orders. Oh, boy. It's hard to trade when you're this tired and full of cookies. I'll be real honest, folks. This is not easy. Oh, my goodness. Goodness. Oh, stop it, Rev. I'm going to start making the team yawn here. Folks, if I don't get yawns out of me here, I'm not going to trade. Yeah, I'll go home and go back to bed. This is not productive. I've missed 2 trades so far. 3. 2, and I didn't get filled on 1, so 3. Oh, goodness gracious, folks. Yeah. I'm chilling, guys. Kicking it. This is noise, right? You guys see that we're in the noise. Turn it up. Bring the noise. Turn it up. Bring the noise. How many of you guys remember when Anthrax and Public Enemy did an album, did a song? Ah. Now, I want to show you where I found when I was introducing this thought to Ryan, for him to color code this stuff, right? He already had most of it created. Here's the cool part. He had most of it created, okay? Where it was RBIs, continuations, crosses, and that kind of thing. But what I want to show you is think about where old losing Rev lost all of his money. Let's use this as an example. This is a perfect place for me to show you. Okay, let's say you see this is the long and you miss it. Okay, right here. You see the long and you miss it. You see the long and you miss it, if this were one. You see the long and you miss it, so you go long up here. Okay, and you say to yourself, all right, okay, and I'm just going to put my stop right here. Okay, or you say, well, I'll have a bigger stop and I'll put it right here. Okay, or you tell yourself you're going to put a stop right here. You slip it down to here, and then it hits you. Do you see right here, this is where I lost all my money when I was a losing trader? Does this make sense? That's where this bar comes from. That's where this bar comes from, okay? Literally. That's why I have everybody looking for where not to trade, right? Where do we not trade first, right? If you have a problem with let's just say any sort of let's just say biting your nails, right? First thing you have to do is you have to recognize that you bite your nails, right? You have to admit it. Okay, then you have to recognize how do I bite my nails a little bit less at a time, right? Okay. When do I recognize that I start to bite my nails? Well, when I get nervous. I don't actually bite my nails. I'm trying to make this up on the fly so it doesn't offend anyone, right? But right, think about it. Like the first thing we have to do is stop biting our nails. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute are all out of whack. All out of whack. I see nothing, folks.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Ooh, go on, Elijah, go on. Okay, snake bite, 10 range. That was a legit leg sweep if you're following actual, basic rules. FAT. Right, there's 1R and leg sweep complete on the 10 range. Initial pellets, 62. Choppy chop chop. 60s over under. 60 to 71. Love is a candle wick in rain.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
This is so choppy. I can't get over like, wow. Like folks, I see the little scalps, right? But like, is that what we're looking for? Counter trend, counter trend, counter trend. I don't know that answer, right? Burn, 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 burn. Burn, 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 burn. Four minutes till the 15-minute bar closes. You have careful at 52 half, please. You can hear the pain in my laugh. Ooh, unopened at 79s. Unopened at 79s. Unfinished at 52s. Elijah, that's weird because we've done it before. 62 over under hard. Pain in my life. Five minutes backwards. Okay, new 15-minute bar. 15-minute is backwards. Yeah, that's not good, right, Elijah? I mean, that's not. I don't know. Maybe they found that it creates a glitch. I don't know. Then again, it's programmers. Yeah.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Oh. Hey. Tommy Two Tone. Soften your tone, Tommy Two Tone. VWAP is still 54. My stomach is still full of Oreo cookies. And good Lord, it is slowing my trading down. How many of you guys like mega stuffed Oreos? There's one R on your 10 range. Yeah, Nick, look at the 10 range.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Is I never gave it. All right, look at this. Here's why I didn't take it. Okay, if you look, okay, the 10 range has a yellow. Okay, but it doesn't go red. It doesn't go green, white, red. It doesn't go red, white, red, green, white, green. Right? It just goes green, red. Okay, that keeps me from taking a trade. Now, did it work? In hindsight, yeah. But does it work over 10,000 trades, just ignoring that fact? No. That's the secret. That's not a secret. Well, no, it is. Because we're using two different trading platforms, which have different data, as you can clearly see. One of them is in Java cookie
Bar,
form,
10 range chart.
packet form, excuse me.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
At the hotel room.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Looking to explore. I've at my hotel room door. Bed to the hotel room floor. Let's go, Alf. So it set it up, right? So look at what I did though. Okay. I waited for the 1 minute to give a tiny little cell. You see that? 10 range, 1 minute, Deutschner, right? We're on the board. Now I don't feel so bad. God. Wander to LA, looking to explore. Live at my hotel room door. All right, I'm on the board. I'm on the board. 2 points, folks. Let's go. Whee! I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I took the 1 minute sell at 52 with a 56.50 stop. 2R was 47.50. They got him. They got him. Okay, notice your 2 minute 200 did not turn green. It did not turn green. Okay, and the push through VWAP turned it down. Okay, that's why I was okay with the 1 minute. I wanted a much smaller stop on the 1 minute. But look, here's what I want to show you. First, let's look at this. Okay, red, white, green. Okay, green, dark green. All right, now let's kind of see this. Prior swing, failure. I want to bring this in though. Failure of, I have it circled. See it here. Failure of Joey's spread at 68.75. Get a above here. Boom, lower high. Okay, but notice red, white, green on the 2 minute. Red, white, green on the 2 minute. But it's rolling over, failure of here, lower high. So let's go back to the 1 minute where I actually entered the trade. But before we get to the 1 minute entering the trade, okay, notice that your 10 range, when we bring it back on the Ninja Trader, okay, we'll have a yellow French fry starting it off. But we have red, white, green, okay, red, white, green, okay. Then we get this paint bar, too big of a stop. And then we get this paint bar. Mwah, chef's kiss, ladies and gentlemen. Chef's kiss, okay?
I
and I
get what you're
won't
saying.
die.
I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
I am not ballsy.
Why won't you listen to me?
I'm a rock star in his prime. I'm a rock star in his prime. I'm a rock star in his prime. A rock star in his prime. And I won't
Pink bar,
die.
10 range chart.
Good call. Good call. 5175. Good call. Then I won't die. Then I'm gonna fly. 5350 was so quick you wouldn't have gotten filled. Good call, Joey. Good call. Oh, Lord. Directly against the 5 price VWAP 2 hundo. I should just leave the 15-minute chart like this. Folks, it's 27 to 62. Okay? 27 to 62. 27, 62. That's it. Until those break, right? There's a lot of people on the sidelines kicking it like a Van Damme flick. Is this a pinprick on the 5? Yuck. Welcome to VWAP, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to VWAP. 2.5 minutes till the top of the hour. 2.5 minutes to the top of the hour, please. Thank you. Trying to find my doom, doom, doom. Trying to find my doom. Yes. Yeah, guys, look at the chart that Joey just posted. Right, and the title of it is Dumb It Down, okay? Line break, red, white, blue, okay? Line break, red, white, green, right? Line break, paint. Line break and something else, right? And something else. Trying to find my doom. 1 minute till the top of the hour, 45 seconds till the top of the hour. Please make sure your live button is red. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, turn notification bells on. Use code SAGEFT at checkout for your favorite prop firm. Apex has got the best deals. Apex got rid of any payout denials. Very clear whether you're going to get paid or not. Okay, just if anyone had that hesitancy, it's gone. Okay, and I do believe they have 90% off of everything. Literally, and folks, I'm starting to like these EOD draws where it gives you $1,000 each day, right? And if you need more than $1,000 of a drawdown,
Pink bar alert Revy.
okay, you need to kind of be careful. Okay, you need to build that account first. 2 minute Charlie Foxtrot, 2 minute Charlie Foxtrot. The VWAP is in the wrong place. Otherwise, this would be a major sell signal, but it's not. Trying to find my doom. Watch it go straight to 45 now that I said that. I'm kidding. No trade. No trade here, folks. We're in the middle. Diddle in the middle. Your account get little. Diddle in the middle. Your account getting little. They're leaning. Do they continue to lean?
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Have we forgot that this is OPEX? Look at how we're hugging that 15-minute noise. Now, let me say this. Okay, look, if this VWAP, okay, if this 200 were above the VWAP, this would be a full port, not a full port. This would be a full on cell signal. For now, they're leaning. For now, they're leaning. Joey has a white below. The reason I'm not short on the 2-minute is it's backwards. The 200 is below the VWAP. Yes, they're both pointed down. Not what I said. It's not what I said. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, squeeze. Uh-oh, squeeze. Uh-oh, squeezy. Hey, welcome back to VWAP, everybody. I'm not in a hurry to take a butt and take a trade here. Yeah, right back to VWAP. Welcome back to the middle, folks. Who's bored? If you're bored, you're doing it right. Let's see a hands of those who are bored. If you're bored, you are doing it correct. This is slop. This is where, look, even if you got it right today, did you get it wrong? Did you get it right last
bar,
week?
10
Do you
range
get it
chart.
right next week? Are you looking for someone? Yeah. She'll be here shortly. Yeah, all right. The secretary will be here in just a few minutes. I'm sorry. Hey, no problem at all. Hey, no worries. Davey's doing it right. Anyone else? I've taken one trade, everybody. You can see what I've done. One trade. One trade. One tick, Rick, from your stop on a leg sweep. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I see nothing, folks. Okay, we got 13 minutes till I'm gonna kill the stream. It's been a great week and morning. I'm net 2 points, net 2 points after commissions, net 2 points. Perfect on a Friday, right? Doesn't matter if I got 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 50 accounts, net 2 points, right? We don't care about gross. That's not the value that we obtain. If we get a paint bar up on the 2 minute, there is a chance of a run. If, let's make sure we look at what Joey was just talking about. If we can get some sort of convergence with another setup, right? Because if we just go to price VWAP 200, it goes into order up here. Okay. Only weak traders are crawling out of their skin because they haven't had a trade. Now, if you took offense to that, I'm talking to you. Right, Davey Day Trader? Dolly Prance says no trades. Dolly, that is okay. That is okay. Uh-oh.
Pink bar,
Davey's
1 minute chart.
offended. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. All right, look at your 1 minute popping. Now, one thing that I want to point out, they're stronger when price and the VWAP turn up through the 200, okay? It's a lot different than right here, right? So let's see if we can find one. Let's see if we can find one. They're not easy to find, right? 1 in 29 chance. Oh. Here it is. Look. There you go. There's your trade. There's your trade. Do you see it? That's the trade. Right there. That's the trade, folks. That's the trade. Are they going to run it before we even can get a chance? Plausible. Delta's pushing. The reason I'm hesitant on taking a long is your 5 minute, 15 minute are down or absolutely yuck. Okay, we got about 5 minutes left of the stream. If you have any questions, type them in. If not, let's kill the dead air. I've taken one trade. I'm net. Oops. Okay. Okay, I am net 2 points. Ooh, look at the turn down. Will we survive the turn down? Will we survive the turn down? This is why we didn't take a long, folks. Davey's done. Yeah, I'm done here in a minute, folks. I'm going to call it in 45 seconds. Listen, we will be switching. We will be switching over to x.com. Let me get the plot. Let me get it in here for you. There's the link, or you can search me at _SageFT, which works even better for the algorithm. And folks, let's go ahead and cut it here. Listen. What I want you to take away from today's session is the lack of trading due to options expiration Friday. Okay? Look at what they've done to the outliers. Look, let me just show you. Okay? External liquidity. Smack. There's no advantage here for most traders, all right? Now, I would love to tell you, oh, we could have caught this and that and this and that and this and that, blah, 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 blah. Zoom out, okay? Could you? No, look at your 27. What 27? What do we agree? 27 to 62. Period. That's it. Where's the break above that? There isn't. Right? Those of you that understand ORs or opening ORBs, you understand that they caught him here, smacked him, right? So we are safe and done, folks. It's been a great week. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn notification bells on. You can find me on Twitter, _SageFT. We'll see everybody over there. I'm going to go take a cookie-infested nap because I am a little short on sleep due to digesting Oreo cookies all night. I do believe I missed 2 trades, 1 no-fill, 1 perfect execution. I'm positive 2 points net. We'll see everyone over on X. We'll see you Monday morning.